Bauer, the CEO of Prosper Trading Academy, joins us now for the final trade of the day. I want to get your market perspective before we get started here, because the floor was, let's say, a bit louder. There was more roar from the floor on Wednesday as the impeachment hearings were happening. But there's so many other issues going on behind the scenes. What do you attribute the noise to?
You know what? There should be a pickup in volatility. Volatility has been complacent, especially in the option market, overall market, for the last few weeks. And there's a lot on the plate right now in terms of the economy, impeachment, U.S.-China tariff talks, going into the retail big holiday season. Nobody really knows what's going to happen. So volatility has been too low. And I think the pickup and the noise that we heard, Angie, was because volatility is picking up as it should be.
You had a winner on your list this week, Target.
Yeah, it was a good one. We talked about this last week, that prior to earnings, and this was even prior to the debacle that we saw from Home Depot and Kohl's, Target uber bullish. And we went out there and we put on the Texas hedge. So we had sold a downside put spread, the 105-100 put spread, bought the 112-117 call spread, did that for even. So the rationale behind that was, if Target reported poor earnings, stock went down, I wanted to buy stock at 105 anyway. So that was my backstop. That was the rationale. But I was expecting big things. Obviously, we got big things. And that spread that we got into for zero, maxing out at $5.
Now for your new trade of the day.
Looking at Baidu. Okay, kind of forgotten a little bit. They had earnings a few weeks ago. Stock moved nicely. And it's now retreated back to the 115 level, which right after earnings, Angie, there was a pop. There was a gap up to that 115 level, which now acts as support. I love the stock here. Volatility is really, really cheap because it's post-earnings. So going into the holiday season here, going into these continued or U.S.-China talks, love the stock. What I'm looking to do is going out a couple weeks, December 6th, okay, so a couple weeks from here, I'm buying the 117, 122 call spread to the upside. Can do that for a little bit over $1, maybe $1.10 or so. Fantastic reward to risk. Love the upside on this one.
Well, love having you here. Thanks so much and have a great trading day.
Thank you, you too.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.